So first of all, I will change the style of this class. Add selection list. Let's see if that works. No. Let's try important. No. Okay. I think we should use ngType because these are other components and we don't have direct access to the tags within those components. So in order to access them, we should use ngType. Let's see. No. Okay, now it is working. Now I will add some margin. Margin right, 20 pixels. Okay, and for the checkboxes, I want different colors. I want to change the color of checkbox to blue. So let's see if we have any good option here. Okay, let's store this inside our global, inside a variable that we can reuse. So now I can use this variable instead of adding color again and again. Okay. Okay, it is looking good so far. Next, I will add a button, material button, this new task after my tasks. So matte raise button and color should be primary. New task. And I want it to the right side. I will use Flexbox to fix the alignments. So in the section 1, no, in the header, okay, in that section 1, we have to change header. Okay, very good. Now it is looking a bit better. And I will bring these categories from a JavaScript array. So first of all, I will add an array. Category is equal to array and work personal. Hmm, I will actually we should have an object here so that we could store more information about the category. And active true. Okay, so now I can do this and I can run an array. I will use ngFor array. Let category of categories. Okay, let's see if that makes any difference. Okay, it is working. Now I have to add the active class that I have added in the object of category. Category dot active. Okay, so now I want to active this category. If I click on this, so what I will do is that I will add a click event on this button. I will pass the category within that function. Now I will create that function in our component. And